Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix World of Tanks hit game not launching or won't launch issue on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. First fix is to restart Steam or restart your PC. So simply click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam, then relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then just restart your PC. And after the PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to install wargaming.net game center. So open Steam, go to library, right click on World of Tanks hit game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Then open this folder, that is WGCS folder, and double click this exe file. And here you will say installing wargaming.net game center. Click on reinstall and just wait for this reinstall to get complete. And once the installation get complete, just wait. And once the installation get complete, then you can go ahead, launch the game again and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3. Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. And then browse to the game installation folder. So go to C drive, program files x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder. Open the World of Tanks hit game folder. Select this WGCS_API exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. Select this start protected game exe file and then click on open. Again click on add an allowed app, click on browse all apps. Open the bin folder. Select this injure launcher exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back. Click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse. And then again browse to the game installation folder. Open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder. Open the World of Tank hit game folder. Select this exe file, click on open, click on add. In my case it is already added. Again click on browse. Select this start protected game exe file, click open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked marked. Again click on allow another app, click on browse, open the bin folder, select engine launcher exe file and then click on open and then click on add. In my case it is already added. Here it is. And make sure both private and public is ticked marked, and also make sure wargaming.net game center for Steam is private and public is ticked marked, and then click on OK to save changes. Then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now, if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, EVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EST, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program, or simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 4 is to run easy anti-cheat EOS setup file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on World of Tanks hit game, select manage, click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Open the easy anti-cheat folder. Now run this easy anti-cheat EOS setup file. Just run it, and then after running it, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to run the game from game installation folder. Run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on World of Tanks hit game, manage, click on browse local files. It will take it to the game installation folder. Now first double click this WGCS API exe file and then try to launch the game and check if that helps or not. If not, then right click on it and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder by running this WGCS API exe file and see if that helps or not. If not, then also tick mark run this program in compatibility mode for. From the drop down select Windows 8, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, from drop down select Windows 7, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes. Just uncheck all these 3 boxes, then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 6, run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the World of Tanks hit game folder, open it. Select WGCS API exe file, click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list. Here it is, expand it, and next to GPU preference, select high performance, and then go ahead, launch the game and check. Set high performance in NVIDIA Control Panel app for the World of Tanks hit game. So open the NVIDIA Control Panel app. So in Windows search, type NVIDIA Control Panel app and open it. Once it is opened, click on manage 3D settings, go to program settings, then click on add, and from here select the, so if you're running the game from the Steam, select this wargaming.net game center for Steam and then click on add selected programs, and then from the drop down here select high performance, then hit on apply, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to disable integrated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type device manager and open it. Now expand the display adapters. Here it is, expand it. Then right click on your integrated graphic card driver and then select disable device. Click yes to confirm, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. And after playing the game, don't forget to come back over here and enable it. Fix 9 is to update graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, go to Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card drive version and install the latest version. And after updating the graphic card driver, restart your PC and then launch the game and check. So I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website, and once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here, select operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, click on download, and once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run it and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select properties, go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification of the files has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to turn off hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So open Windows settings, on the left click on system, then click on display, scroll down, click on graphics, and here you will see advanced graphics settings, expand it, and here you will see hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Just turn it off if it is on, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to modify the game launch options. You can try -TX11 or -TX12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select properties. In the launch options, first type -TX11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties and this time type -TX12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 13 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is provided in my video description, and once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 14 is to disable overlay. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select properties. You will see this option, enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. If you have installed Discord on your PC, then simply disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 15. Close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, RivaTuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 16:2 update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update. Then click on Check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And then just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall World of Tanks hit game from your PC, restart your PC and reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve World of Tanks hit game not launching or won't launch issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.